Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi S3 3-door. The car is wrapped in a Nardo grey, but underneath the car is a Martha's black. We have the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, the front headlight washer jets and also the front and rear parking sensors. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the twin spoke design 18-inch alloy wheels with the S3 brake calipers, with the high gloss black surrounds on the windows, with the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. LED backlights, the car is debadged and it's also got the quad exhaust. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, we have the piano gloss black inlays on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, the upgraded Bang & Olufsen Sound System with the S3 embossed logo and the black leather front sports seats, automatic headlights and wipers with a flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control, S-tronic automatic gearbox with the electronic handbrake, heated seats with dual climate control and Audi's Navigation Plus. If you'd like any more information on this Audi S3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.